Yeah, of course, here in Thailand, yeah, you will see McDonald's. Hindi mawawala. And then, of course, you will see in any streets the 7-Eleven. Okay? And, of course, McDonald's. Siyempre, hindi mawawala rito yung mga beauty products. Beauty products and of course, where will I go? I think I will go to Watson. Okay, yeah. I go to Watson. Siyempre, hindi mawawala rito rin ang Watson. Beauty products. Thailand is very famous when it comes to beauty products like South Korea. That is Watson. Let's go inside. Okay.